out here doing Land Rover things. Got the Rover on a little bit of dirt today. Nothing crazy. Regular roads, like just over there. But just took the girls out for the first time over on Jekyll with the Rover. Got the new seat in there, so the wife's enjoying being able to ride in the Rover. She's snacking on popcorn. So, but just hanging out. So Rover did excellent driving over here. Sorry, my hair is wild today. Just cut it. Rover's doing excellent. We're gonna pop the awning, but it's actually really nice out in the sun. But as you see, I got the awning set up on driver's side, and then the mud boards on the other side. And got some decals and stickers set up now. So starting to look the part too. And it's just a mess back there. But this is just the next vlog update, I guess. What I was gonna say. Well, that was actually really close. Was that I forgot completely, totally where I am in terms of progress on the Rover in the videos. So my next video is going to be pretty much updating all the things that I've done and where I'm at and the things that I've still got to do. So that's what's going to happen next. This is going to be just a quick little glimpse of us doing not maintenance. Right, wife?
Yes.
Until we go start the truck up, and then it might be a totally different story. but yeah, so just hanging out with the dogs.